Started with a vision in the dark, a quiet dream, a single spark. We didn't know how far we'd go, just felt a fire begin to grow. Through every question, every climb, we stayed the course, we held the line. What once felt uncertain turned to truth, a deeper calling breaking through. Positive impact, lighting up the way, driven by a vision that never fade away. Piece by piece, we're becoming whole, every step in rhythm with the soul. Positive impact, feel it in your heart, we're shaping the future. This is where we start. No more limits, now we take control. We're ready for the future, in body, mind, and soul. We learn to listen, learn to lead, to plant each dream like living seed, not just for us, but others too. A better world in all we do. With open hands and focused minds, we leave our fear and doubt behind. One shared belief, one stronger flame, a purpose greater than a name. Positive impact, lighting up the way, driven by a vision that never fade away. Piece by piece, we're becoming whole, every step in rhythm with the soul. Positive impact, feel it in your heart, we're shaping the future. This is where we start. No more limits, now we take control. We're ready for the future, in body, mind, and soul. When the road grows heavy, we lean on truth. When the night feels long, we hold that proof that every step was meant to be part of a plan we could not yet see. Through love, through growth, through all we know, we become the light we chose to follow. Positive impact, stronger every day, a living vision that is here to stay. Heart and mind now moving as one.